Hey there everybody, welcome back. It's Amber here, and we are heading into our 4th week of online learning. That's pretty awesome. So this week I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit about the planets. I'm not going to be putting these planets in any particular order, like any scientific particular order. I'm just going to teach you guys about some planets, and instead of showing you guys a picture of certain things, since I am not a scientist, unfortunately, I'm going to feature one photo of the planet in the corner, and at the end, I'm going to throw in a little video for you guys to watch, such as National Geographic or a kids channel explaining to you guys some more about the planet, since, like I said, I am not a scientist. But I hope you guys enjoy the facts that I am going to give you, and sit back, relax, and enjoy. So here we go. So today we are going to be talking about Venus, and this planet is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, and she is known as Aphrodite in Greek mythology. I will insert a picture of her here. Any type of Greek god or goddess, I will insert a picture of for you guys. So this planet was named after Aphrodite because it shines the brightest, and Venus is the second planet from the sun and the 6th largest planet in the solar system. Venus is one of the 2 planets that does not have a moon, and Venus is the second brightest object in the sky after the moon and the sun. So, Venus is the only planet named after a female deity, which is Aphrodite, like we just talked about, and Venus is only slightly smaller than Earth. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, and Venus has the slowest rotation of any other planet. Venus has mountains, valleys, and volcanoes on it, and the highest mountain on Venus, which is Maxwell Montes, is 20,000 feet high. And the average temperature on Venus is 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a very, very hot day there. And Venus is also referred to as Earth's sister. So I hope you guys enjoyed my facts and what I learned about Venus. Now I'm going to have you guys listen to an expert talk some more about Venus, some more things that I did not mention, and I will see you guys next time for the next lesson. Bye-bye!
Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is the second brightest object in the night sky, dimmer only than the Moon. This brightness is due partially to the fact that Venus comes closer to the Earth than any other planet, partially to the fact that it is very close to the Sun at a distance of 67 million miles, and partially because its thick atmosphere does an excellent job of reflecting sunlight back into space. Because of its brilliance, Venus has been observed by humans for thousands and thousands of years. Sometimes called the morning star or the evening star because it is at its brightest at sunrise and sunset, the ancient Romans named it Venus after their goddess of love and beauty. Similar in size and gravity, and with a rocky body like the Earth's, Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister. On closer inspection, though, it is very, very different. Although Venus appears serene, like a beautiful bright star at a distance, the surface of the planet is hazardous. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system because of its thick, toxic atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, that allow it to retain the sun's heat. Venus has no oceans. It is far too hot for water. Most of its surface is dry, rocky desert plains. Because of its dense atmosphere, the pressure on Venus's surface is 92 times greater than Earth's. The heat, pressure, and corrosive atmosphere on Venus has provided a challenge for scientists attempting to map and explore its surface. More than 3 dozen spacecraft have made at least partially successful missions to Venus, beginning with NASA's Mariner 2 spacecraft flying by in 1962. Venus's clouds prevented observation of its surface from space, however, and in 1967, the Soviet lander Venera 4 touched down on its surface. Due to the hostile surface conditions, it only survived for 23 minutes. Later probes were built to better withstand conditions on Venus, but even the most successful only transmitted data for 110 minutes, not quite 2 hours. Still, the landers and probes lasted long enough to give us a peek beneath the cloud cover and teach us more about Venus. Venus rotates very slowly, only once every 243 days, and it spins backwards compared to the Earth and most other planets. That means that if you were on Venus and could see it through the clouds, the sun would seem to rise in the west and set in the east.